Hi everyone, it's Lisa Brown with InkandInspirations.com. I'm an independent demonstrator with Stampin' Up! And in this video we're going to be making this little box, and it's a remake of this one, fall themed, that I did a while back. And I have a bottle of essential oils in here, and it's a 1 ounce bottle and it fits just right. And you can pinch the top closed. It makes a really cute presentation. So I am using the Perfectly Plaid stamp set and the coordinating punch that's in the Stampin' Up! Holiday catalog. I believe it's called the Wrapped in Plaid Suite. It has beautiful designer paper in plaids, a 6x6 stack, and so we'll be using both today. So I've already cut and scored my box shape here, and I will try to have the link to the other video on my blog if you need to see that on how to cut and score. It's just simply a 5.5 by 8.5 piece of cardstock, scored at 2, 4, 6, and 8. Then you turn it and score it 2, which makes that box bottom, and then you cut off this little rectangle here so that we can assemble the box. But before we do that, I have some designer paper in that plaid. Look how beautiful that is. And we are going to, oh, I'm missing a piece. Let me cut another one. We're going to be putting that on our box before we assemble it. It just makes it easier. So I needed a 1 3/4 by 3 1/4 piece. So let me see. Let me get 1 3/4. This is our new Stampin' Up! Trimmer by 3 1/4, and then we'll have 4 for each side of the box. Okay. So let's go ahead and apply these. I love the gold metallic in this paper. It has some beautiful colors and lots of different plaid designs. And then the reverse side is a fun print for winter. Okay, so we're going to go on these top 4 panels. And if you should assemble the box first, you can put the designer paper on after it's assembled, but it's much easier this way. Okay, just a little bit of liquid glue, and I'm centering it between those score lines. And this is a great little simple box that can hold a gift or treats. Okay, so now let me see. I need some adhesive, and I want to use my tear-in tape. So I am going to take this and put a piece right here on this tab. And then I'll go ahead and peel that off, and we'll assemble and then do the bottom. So let's just fold this side over. And if you were making quite a few of these, you could do it this far and fold it flat, store it flat, you know, until you needed it. Because all you have to do here is, let's see, where's my seam? There it is. So I'm going to put the 2 side tabs in first, then the back tab, because there's my seam, and then the front tab. So let's go ahead and put another tear-in tape piece there. Take your pick tool, and maybe that'll, yeah, pull up easily. And then secure that bottom. Okay, so you can see you could leave the top open just like that, and it would be just fine. But to close, we'll pinch it like that. And you can secure it with glue dots, or you can just leave that fun opening at the top. So let's go ahead and embellish the front of the box. And I've got a piece of Whisper White. It's just a scrap piece, and I'm going to get some shaded spruce ink and this Darling Plaid Christmas tree. And I am going to stamp it here near the bottom so it's easy to punch. All right. Leave that open because I'll need it for the sentiment. And so I have the punch. Just slide it in and center that image in there. Love punches. Okay. Then I have a sentiment that is somewhere on my desk. Okay, here it is. All right, it says North Pole Delivery. So I'm going to stamp it, space it away from that punch tree. Then I can put this up. And then I'm going to take another punch, which is the tailored tag punch, and slide that in and center it. I will be cutting off a little bit of that flourish, but not to worry. It's okay. Okay. And then I have a scrap strip of this designer paper that's in another pattern. And I'm going to find my front here. I'm going to pick this up and I'm going to glue it behind the stamped North Pole Delivery. And I'm going to cut off a bit because I won't need all of that. And I'm going to trim those ends in just a minute. So let's put glue just down the center here. Okay, then I'm going to take my paper snips and just angle these ends. Like that. And that's going to go right there. I'm going to keep it toward the center here. All right, then I'm going to get our Holiday Rhinestone Basic Jewels. And I'm going to get 2 of these Cherry Cobbler rhinestones and put it over those dots to give it a little bit of bling. Whoops. Then we can put our tree there. And we're just going to keep it simple and call it done. You could use this same design on a card front using a plaid background and then the white accents, okay? So there we go. And let's see. Put in the bottle of, whoa, my Christmas tree wasn't set yet. That's okay. And there you go. You have a nice little gift. So thank you so much for joining me. And I hope you will try this for a little gift box using the Wrapped in Plaid bundle with a Perfectly Plaid stamp set and the Christmas tree punch. Okay? If you have any questions, let me know. Visit my website at inkandinspirations.com, and I'll see you again soon. Take care. Bye-bye.